sticking to the issue that's close to your heart, on Actis, there's a documentary
On actors.
on Actis particularly. There's a Deutsche Welle documentary or a DW documentary that has been critiquing Pakistan's nuclear program at large. And we've seen that the so-called invited experts as well, they've critiqued on it as well. Your comments on it, on the documentary which has been criticizing Pakistan's nuclear program at large.
Yes, we have seen this documentary. Pakistan rejects this misleading documentary aired by the DW, which is nothing but the regurgitation of hackneyed and speculative commentary and biased sourcing. The documentary reflects either a profound misunderstanding or a deliberate disregard of the history, evolution, and rationale of Pakistan's nuclear program. By lending platform to such poorly sourced and one-sided content, DW risks undermining its own credibility and reputation of professional fact-finding journalism. Responsible journalism demands rigorous verification, balance, and context, not amplification of recycled conjecture and unfounded insinuations. DW must uphold these standards and exercise greater editorial responsibility when reporting on issues with far reaching implications for international peace and security. Pakistan has full confidence on its robustness of its command and control architecture, as well as comprehensive technical, legal, and institutional mechanism governing the nuclear safety and security and our wider nuclear program. These arrangements meet the highest international standards and have been consistently acknowledged by independent international experts. Thank you.